There's a lot of things going on in the world today, and a back problem or a neck problem or a headache is one more thing you don't want to have. Hi, I'm Dr. John Gray, and we're here today to talk about some things that we're excited about that we're going to be sending out, as well as incorporating some new therapies in the office. So we're going to be sending out some newsletters and be watching for those, and they will be instructional to help you take things that you can do to empower you. I also wanted to introduce Patrick real quick. Come on in, Patrick. Patrick's our new therapy assistant in the back, and has lots of experience, and he's very smart, and he laughs at that, but he is. And he'll be a great asset to you and helping you with your health issues. In fact, you have a competition coming up here, don't you, that you're getting ready for?
Yeah, coming up in 2023, I'm preparing to enter the Idaho State powerlifting competition, and yeah, we're doing a little weekly work on my back, keeping things looking good, but yeah, we're preparing for that in 2023.
Yeah, so we're excited for him. A lot of work and a lot of preparation, but he can bring that knowledge and that experience of how to get your body to do the things you want and help apply that to your needs too. So we wanted to welcome him here, and if you haven't been in a little while, we invite you to give us a call and come back, and let's take care of one of those things and get them off your plate. And I hope you have a great weekend.
See you, everyone.